Right, so here we are today, and we've got a different kind of video today, and this is the results from the Netsuke competition, and it turned out great. So we had 3 winners from the Netsuke competition, and the conditions were, once the Netsuke was sent out, is to do a little video on how you painted your Netsuke. So this has turned out great. So we had 3 winners, Asti, Julianne Cook and Vick Springston, and they all sent in videos of their unique paint jobs on the Turtle-Dragon, and they all turned out great, fantastic. So yeah, so like I say, we've got 3 winners, Asti from Austria, Julianne from the UK, England, and Vic from the USA, America. So there's 2 people that got their own channels. So you've got Julianne Cook, so you can visit her. I'll put the links to their channels in the description below. So Julianne, she does all kinds of stuff, mainly artwork and painting with acrylics and oils, so it's always good to watch her videos. And Vick Springston, who runs Graveyard Creepers on YouTube, and definitely check out his stuff too, because he does all kinds of weird builds which are kind of on the horror zombie graveyard theme. You've got to check him out because he makes some amazing stuff with zombies and all that kind of stuff. Very unique and very entertaining, and there's some great craftsmanship there. So anyway, with all the 3 people, we will see their different paint jobs of the Netsuke. So here we go. So first up we got Asti, then we got Julianne, and then we got Vic. So here goes.
So this is a little turtle dragon that I won in a competition from Dramamask. So he sent it through, and he said that I should just file down a few bits here. So I'm going to use my diamond cut nail file and just literally go over any little sharp bits and file them down like this. Do his little toenails actually. There we are. So now I'm just going to put an undercoat on him, and I've got some paint ready in this tub. I'll show you what colour I'm going to use. So it's a nice dark green, and eventually I'm going to add this bronze colour to highlight any other bits. So here we go. I think I'll use the round headed brush like that, so then it will go into all the little bits. So here we go. The bottom's still a little bit wet, so I'm actually just going to wipe that off my fingers, make sure I don't get any off. So what I'm going to do now is, so I've painted it with this dark green colour that I mixed up in that pot. I'm using acrylics. The next step is I just want to burnish it with a little copper. It's called copper mint, I think it's called. Permanent copper mint. Anyway, it's acrylic. It's from this System 3. I've had it quite a long time and I've used it a lot in other things. But I thought I'd just try and see what happens when I do it. So I've got a dry brush. It's a flat brush. And I've just put some paint on, and I'm just going to literally go over the edges with this brush. I'll go around the back. I don't know if you can see. Let me hold that up like that. So I'm going to just quickly go over. As you can see, there's quite a lot of detail on this. So I'm just going to go over all the detail, and I might need to do it twice, I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd see what happens if I just do it this way. I just wanted to do a little dusting on his toenails and just around his cheeks, which I missed. I'm using a round brush, by the way, literally just going around the edges that I missed out. So there we have it, the last dusting of my lovely little Netsuke Toddle that I won in a competition.
All right, guys, what we have here is a couple little figurines. Now, this is way out of my realm. I'm half blind, so it's hard for me to see anything real small. But boy, I tell you what, these things are highly detailed. I don't know how well that camera's going to pick up that detail, but I mean, it is very, very detailed. I mean, the teeth, everything. Now, this is a turtle dragon, and this is a friend of mine on YouTube. He makes all kind of cast figurines and stuff like that. He does some awesome work. And check out this. This is a gargoyle. Now, I love gargoyles. I don't know if you guys seen my channel, you'll see my castle wall I built. I got gargoyles on that. But man, this thing is highly detailed. So I got to figure out how to paint these and try to make them look good. And being so small, it would be hard for me to really get in there and really detail every little thing with a little brush and magnifying glass and everything. So I'm going to make this simple, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So let's paint this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this a base coat. I'm going to paint them both a base coat. Then I'm going to come back and I am going to dry brush copper and silver on them. So I'll probably do copper on the gargoyle and the turtle dragon. I will probably dry brush him silver. Now he's got some pretty detail on him. I wish I could see good enough to really get in there and paint every little detail on this thing, because it's a beautiful piece. Actually, both of them are, and I really appreciate him sending me these so I can paint them. And I'm going to put these in my oddities cabinet with my odd things, just because they're beautiful. And they're beautifully cast. I mean, he's done a real good job on them. I mean, all the details there, it's just amazing how much detail is in something this small. So let's paint these, and we'll go from there. So there you go, guys. That's my take on the Turtle-Dragon and the Gargoyle. These are absolutely beautiful little pieces, and I'm going to put these in my oddities cabinet because not only did a friend of mine make them, but they're beautiful pieces. And I think the paint job turned out pretty good. I'm not an excellent painter by far, but I think the copper and the black turned out good, and I think the silver and black turned out good. They are absolutely beautiful pieces.
So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I think this is a successful competition. If you've got any ideas for competitions and things, then write something in the description below. We'll probably have another competition at some point. I was thinking about maybe doing a fairy door competition. And I actually sculpted these fairy doors, so these will be... The whole thing is made by Dramamask Evolution. So this was sculpted from clay, and you can see this, how to make one of these on one of the videos on the channel. So maybe we'll do a competition with fairy doors at some point. So keep your eyes out. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time.